Good evening to all of you. Warm welcome to my judges and colleagues. And I am Mr. Venugopal, senior executive working in Brandix Command Control Center. I am from BA Central Service. Today I am here to deliver the speech, fire prevention and firefighting equipment. Prevention, today's quote, prevention is better than cure. What is fire? Generally, we know everybody says fire, fire, fire. What is a fire? Fire is a chemical process in which there is a combination of one or more substances, including oxygen. That is called fire. Then classification of fire: class A fire, class B fire, class C fire, and class D, class C. And class A fire is involved. That is solid fire. Solid fire means it is involved with grass, coal, paper, wood, etc. This is the solid fire. For solid fire, what type of extinguisher we will use generally? Water extinguisher. Then second, liquid fire. Liquid fire is involved with oils and lubricants. This is liquid fire. For this, we use foam extinguisher. Foam extinguisher is used starting from 9 liters to 50 liters. Because foam extinguisher, generally for firefighting small equipment, it will be used in the first aid fire equipment. But it is used whereas like aircraft CFT, crash fire tender. Because crash fire tender is available in the airports and military bases. Because when the aircraft crashes the fire, it is involved with air turbine fuel. So for that compulsory, they will use crash fire tender. Then now, third, gaseous fire. Gaseous fire generally at home and all, it will mostly the gaseous fire will be involved. For this gaseous fire, we use dry chemical powder. Then next, metallic fire. And class D fire is metallic fire. For this also we use dry chemical powder. Then electrical fire. For this electrical fire we use carbon dioxide, CO2. But before using the CO2 gas, first of all, whenever the electrical fire occurs, first we should switch off the main. Then CO2 gas, using the CO2 gas is the best prevention for controlling the electrical fire. So these are the first aid fire, basic firefighting equipment. Then whenever the major fire, in case major fire involves, then we have to call domestic fire tender. Domestic fire tender will be available whenever that happens. We should have the important contact number for the domestic fire tender, nearest fire station. At the same time, ambulance also, we should have the ambulance number also to avoid any casualties and all. We should all have important contact numbers. Before major fire, when it should not reach to major fire, before that we should control with these all minor firefighting equipment to save the human lives and property. There are some other small firefighting equipment also available. That is like in the everywhere organizations, factories, everywhere. The hydrant systems will be there, smoke detectors will be there, then fire alarms will be there. Then like this, for fire, before reaching to major fire, we should control with these all the minor firefighting equipment. We should have the gumboots, like access to go into the bushes and all. We should have fire meters, sand, mud, whatever the available resource we should use to extinguish the fire and before we reach to major fire. Okay. And then finally, I conclude with this. Everybody should have fire contacts numbers, and everybody should have better training for to control the fire and have the adequate knowledge. Then we can save the human lives and property. And Thank you for giving this opportunity in the Bravo session for grand final, and I learned lot of things during this 14 sessions. Main communication skills and personality development. This is very useful, this Bravo course. Thank you for giving this opportunity for learning team. Thank you very much once again.